Greetings and welcome. Come with me to have an anime day in Tokyo. We're starting off in Shibuya, but this is only part 1 of my anime day. Make sure to subscribe for part 2, where I go to specific anime pop-up events. But for this video, I'll be showing you 4 stores, and stick around until the end to see some of the merch that I got. Alright, let's get started! One store I thought would be so cool to share with you guys is the Pokemon Card Lounge. If you're a Pokemon fan, I definitely recommend visiting this while you're in Shibuya. The photo op area was really amazing with life-size card displays. It was so cool to see the different art styles in the different cards up close. I highly recommend visiting this even if you're not there to play cards. Apologies for the bad camera angle, I was really attempting to have everything in frame. Next store I visited was the Mega House LookUp series official shop in Shibuya Magnet. To be very honest, I wasn't planning on visiting this specific branch, but I needed to go to the restroom and this happened to be on the way there, so I stopped for a quick look. I love these figures so much, and it was my mission for this trip to buy a LookUp figure of my favorite character. Sadly, this branch didn't have what I wanted. The actual LookUp official shop branch that I did want to go to was the one in Sunshine City, Ikebukuro. This one was bigger and it had a statue of Tanjiro's LookUp, which was so cute. I also love that the displays here were more varied since it also featured other figures by Mega House such as the Mega Nyanko or the Mega Cat project. Unfortunately, this branch, even if it was bigger, didn't have any of the character figures that I wanted. Nonetheless, it was so fun to look at the different display cases and just browse through the different figures in general. So I highly recommend that you visit this. The last store I want to show you guys is the Toho Entertainment Store. I definitely marked this down in my itinerary since I also wanted to visit while they were doing the Jujutsu Kaisen Season 3 promo. There was such a big selection from various shows, but honestly it was quite overwhelming because I couldn't decide what to get. There was a lot of merch for Haikyuu, from hoodies, stickers, acrylic stands, and can badges. There was even this pin of Kita that I wanted but ultimately didn't get. Of course, the merch for Jujutsu Kaisen was plenty and varied. They covered the different arcs. You can also find a variety of art styles from the original anime ones to chibi versions. There was also merch for Spy Family and Frieren. And there was even a Kaiju number 8 section, which I was so excited about. Overall, this is a must-visit for anime fans who want official merch from Toho animation shows. We're back home now, and I'm so excited to share with you guys some of the anime merchandise that I got. Let's start with my Toho Entertainment Store haul. First up are these stickers of Anya's plushies. So we have Agent Penguin and her precious Chimera. Honestly, I'm not really into pastel color schemes, but I really like the design of these two stickers, and I feel like these are very iconic characters to the franchise. I really love the series. I also have been enjoying the manga. Honestly, I feel like I cry a lot while reading the manga. Like, most of the chapters really move me emotionally. Next up is stuff from Haikyuu. So I got 4 things. I got 3 stickers and this blind bag. So I got 2 stickers of Bokuto and Akashi. They are my favorite characters in Haikyuu. I really like the design of these 2 stickers. Very casual, but you can still tell it's very sporty. Next are these clear stickers of Kita. Kita is my third favorite character in Haikyuu. Actually, I don't know, is this a clear card or is it a sticker? I'm not totally sure, but there's two of them. And I really liked the design of this one. There's something about it that feels very natural, very slice of life. Like Kita just fixing his scarf. Seems like he's just coming home from school and it's maybe autumn. So this was quite expensive, and I'm guessing it's because there are two stickers, but also because I'm pretty sure, you know, it's hard to get something like clear like this. So last Haikyuu merch is this blind bag of a cable bite. So I thought this was pretty cute because it's the jerseys of the characters. These are the choices. Of course, I want the Fukurodani ones or even Iwaizumi's. I wouldn't mind. But really manifesting Bokuto and Akashi's jersey. Okay, let's open it up. Oh, okay. This is Kenma's. I'm not really into Kenma. I do have a friend who likes him, so I'll probably give this to her. And it's pretty useful, so I think she'll really like it. Hopefully for these two we'll be luckier. And I really wanted to get Kaiju number 8 merch, and I decided to just do 2 blind bags for Kaiju number 8. I don't know why I decided that, but I thought it would be fun. And to be honest, I really like a handful of the characters in Kaiju number 8, so I don't think I'd mind as much on to whoever I will get. But if you must know, I really like Gen and Hoshina. So hopefully there's a Gen or a Hoshina between the two of these blind bags. So let's open up the can badge first. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, Isao. I don't mind, he's a pretty cool character. But then I don't really care to keep him, so I'll see if I can sell it online. If I don't, it's fine either way. Next up is this, I believe to be a Shikishi board. Oh, okay, I'll just pull it out. Oh my gosh, Kikoro! Oh, it's like an acrylic. I thought it was a Shikishi board. Yay, I'm glad I got her. She's so cool. Last but not the least, for my Toho Entertainment Store haul are my Jujutsu Kaisen merch. So I did get a can badge blind bag. I got this plushie of Yuji. I got this pin of Yuji's, I believe his ID, and I got this Yuji bear sticker. Start off with the sticker. I believe this teddy bear is a different brand company entirely, and they collaborated with Toho or JJK. Pretty cute and pretty high quality. Next up is this pin ID thing of Yuji. I really liked it. I thought it was super cute because of Yuji smiling and laughing in his picture. Next up is this mini Yuji plushie that I really wanted to get, even if it was a bit pricey, because it's just super cute. And I knew I was going to a bunch of other JJK spots and JJK events, so I really wanted to have a Yuji plush with me to take cute pictures with. So here's how it looks outside the plastic bag. So the last JJK merch and the last thing from my Toho Entertainment Store haul is this can badge blind bag. Alright, let's see what I got. Alright. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow! That design is insane. I didn't expect it to be gold. I thought it was gonna look like this. I don't know, like a blue background, and he's just like not colored in. Just like line art. Oh, is this like a special thing? So, am I lucky? The last thing I want to show is my haul from Surugaya. I don't really have any footage of my time at Surugaya. To be very honest, the Surugaya that I went to I'm not really sure if I'm allowed to film, but nonetheless, every time I go to Surabaya, I always just end up being very overwhelmed and excited to scavenge through the different baskets for merch of characters that I like. So really, all I have to show you is what I did end up getting. Anyway, I don't want to ramble too much. Let's go see the merch that I got. One of the things I got was a clear folder. I think you can tell by now that I love clear folders. And what I like about this is it's super cute in the front. And then if you turn it around and look at the back, it's super serious and very edgy. So it's kind of like business at the back, but then party at the front. And as you can see, I got this for 100 yen, so it was quite the steal. Now moving on to the actual merch I was able to scavenge. Predominantly, they're all they're all JJK, except for that one Demon Slayer. So let's go through all of them. Okay, so I did get two. I thought I only got one, but I got two Demon Slayer related merch. So I got a keychain and I got, well, I think this is also a keychain. Yes, okay, it's also a keychain. But this one is acrylic and this one is rubber. So I picked this out from the basket because, well, number one, these are my favorite characters. My favorite Hashira in Demon Slayer is Rengoku, and my second favorite character is Tanjiro. Now moving on to the JJK merch that I got a bunch of keychains and acrylic stuff. I'm not sure if, well, this one's an acrylic stand and this one is like an acrylic block, so acrylic stuff. But the keychains are also acrylic, so I guess. Anyway, let's first start with this acrylic block of Yuji. Well, the only reason why I got this is, of course, it's Yuji and it was pretty cheap, but I also felt like for an acrylic item, it was still of really good quality, so I thought it was a pretty good steal. Next, we have this acrylic stand of Nanami. It's also quite cheap given the quality. It's also well taken care of as far as I could tell. Moving on to the last things that I got, which are acrylic keychains of Yuji and Nanami. I believe this is a collaboration of promoting culture across Japan, across different regions, because there were like a bunch of these of like different locations, different characters doing different things or holding different items related to those like cities, prefectures, and other regions across Japan, similar to the clear folder that I showed a while ago. There were a lot to choose from. I wanted there to be a little bit more meaning to the ones that I was picking out, so I just really picked items of places that I've actually been to that has the characters that I like. So I decided to pick these three because I've been to Kyoto and I've been to Niigata, and of course it's Yuji and Nanami. They look still new because like the original tag is still intact, so I think there was just like a surplus. That's why they're selling them at like 100 yen only. And when I say surplus, like it was like baskets upon baskets full of these like collab keychains. Another reason why I think it's a surplus is because if you look closely, it is starting to oxidize, or there is yellowing with the acrylic, or it doesn't really look as clear as it supposedly should be, and that's totally fine. I mean, for 100 yen, I will not complain about that. So that is everything that I got from Surabaya. I definitely recommend you visiting any Surabaya across Japan or across Tokyo. You'll really find some amazing affordable things there. All right, that is the last of my haul, and this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and farewell.